So in the last lecture, we were looking at how we can make it so that we can merge the existing default configs with configs from file. And here we are going to look at some new syntax for that. And we're going to say that config should actually be a new dictionary. And that dictionary is going to consist of the existing config and then updated with values from the new config from file. And the star, it just means expand this out into a full dictionary and use this as the second source of input, which you also expanded out. And so the way that it'll work is we have this config here, and it'll also get updated for any of the common keys that they have. It's going to get updated by the one from here. So let's see that in action. If everything works as expected, we should see that forms does not show up in the report. And there we go. I've made a error, so we need to go back. Okay. So we have this as expected, and then we need to remove this line. There we go. And there you go. No forms. And then if we go in here and we do something like this, we'll see that that also disables forms and passwords. So our config stuff is working as expected. Everything is looking exactly how we expected configuration to work. So that's good news for us. And now we want to add one more feature here. And if you look at it, we just have this printout here. Wouldn't it be nice if we had an option to actually output this to a file? And so that's what we'll be adding in the next lecture.